Italian is a highly phonetic language, which means that words are, for the most part, pronounced exactly as they are written. Each letter of the alphabet corresponds to one sound only, with a few exceptions. Most Italian sounds also exist in English, although in Italian the articulation is often placed slightly more forward in the mouth. With a little practice, English speakers can acquire a very natural Italian accent. One sound that can soon flick at first is the single flicked R, especially when it appears between vowels. It is similar to T in the English words daughter or better. Once you get used to this single R, the double or rolled R, like brr, will come more naturally. The vowels. 5 letters, 7 sounds. Italian has 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u. But there are actually 7 vowel sounds because A and O each have 2 variations, open and closed. For most English speakers, the difference is subtle. In fact, even in Italy, the exact use varies regionally. In some areas, people tend to close the sounds, in others, they open them. These differences rarely interfere with communication and add regional color and character to the language. Closed A, tongue slightly raised, pesca and fishing. Open A, tongue slightly lowered, pesca and peach. Both words are spelled the same but mean different things depending on pronunciation. Luckily, context usually clarifies the meaning. If you order gelato alla pesca, even if you mispronounce the E, no Italian will think you want fishing ice cream. Closed O, lips more rounded. Open O, lips more open, jaw lowered. Example, loro means gold with an open O, and loro means they with a closed O. Again, context makes the meaning clear. The sounds of C and G. The letters C and G change their sound depending on the vowel that follows them. Before E or I, they are soft, like ch and j in English. Luciano, ciao, gelato, grigio. Note, the I in Luciano and grigio is silent. Its role is only to soften the consonant. Before a, o, u, h, or any consonant, they are hard, like k in candy or g in game. Marco, spago, spaghetti. Note, the H in spaghetti is there only to keep the hard G sound. Digraphs, 2 letters, 1 sound. Some Italian sounds are written with 2 letters but are pronounced as one single sound. SC plus E or I means sh sound. Scelta, scema, uscita. SC plus other letters means sk sound. Scatola, scuola, scherzo. GN means ny sound, like in canyon, Sardegna, giugno, segno. GL plus I means li, like in million, figlio, moglie, muglio. As you can see, Italian spelling and pronunciation follow clear rules. Even when there are open/closed vowels or regional differences, context always guides understanding. With practice, you'll not only master the sounds, but also start to hear the subtle beauty that makes Italian one of the most musical languages in the world.